Ever feel like your business phone system is stuck in the dark ages? Crackling calls, confusing interfaces, and the constant battle between you and the fax machine. Sound familiar? In today's fast-paced world, businesses need a communication solution that's as agile and innovative as they are. That's where cloud-based VoIP systems like Dialpad and RingCentral come in. But with so many options on the market, choosing the right one can be a real head-scratcher. So, let's cut through the noise and ask the question you've been burning to ask. Is Dialpad better than RingCentral? The short answer? It depends. Both platforms offer a robust set of features, but they cater to slightly different needs. So, to give you the clearest picture, we'll break it down into key areas: features, user experience, pricing, and scalability. Feature face-off. Dialpad versus RingCentral. First things first, let's talk features. Both Dialpad and RingCentral boast a wide range of functionalities that will have your communication humming like a well-oiled machine. Dialpad shines with its AI-powered features. It uses machine learning to transcribe calls in real time, generate sentiment analysis, and even provide live coaching tips for your sales team. This can be a game-changer for businesses looking to optimize their communication and gain valuable insights from customer interactions. RingCentral, on the other hand, takes a more comprehensive approach. They offer a wider range of integrations with popular business tools like Salesforce and Zendesk, making it easier to streamline workflows. Additionally, RingCentral boasts video conferencing capabilities that can handle larger meetings, which might be crucial for bigger teams. User experience. Simplicity versus power. When it comes to user experience, Dialpad takes the cake for simplicity. Their interface is clean, intuitive, and accessible from any device. This makes it a great choice for small businesses or teams that don't need a ton of bells and whistles. However, RingCentral's interface can feel a bit more cluttered, especially for first-time users. The sheer volume of features might take some time to get accustomed to. But once you navigate the initial learning curve, RingCentral offers a powerful suite of tools that can be customized to fit your specific needs. Pricing. Finding the sweet spot. Let's talk money. Both Dialpad and RingCentral offer tiered pricing plans that cater to different team sizes and needs. Here's a quick breakdown. Dialpad generally comes in a bit cheaper than RingCentral, especially for smaller teams. However, their pricing structure can be a bit opaque, with add-on fees for features like international calling or additional phone numbers. RingCentral's pricing might seem slightly higher upfront, but it's often more transparent, with most features included within the base plan. This can be helpful for businesses that want a predictable monthly cost. Scaling up. When your business takes flight, as your business grows, your communication needs will evolve. Both Dialpad and RingCentral are scalable solutions, but they cater to different growth patterns. Dialpad excels at supporting small and medium-sized businesses. Their user-friendly interface and competitive pricing make it a great option for teams that are just starting out or don't have a complex communication infrastructure. RingCentral, however, is built to handle larger teams and more intricate communication needs. Their robust integrations and video conferencing capabilities make them a strong choice for enterprise-level businesses. So, who wins the Dialpad versus RingCentral battle? It depends on your business DNA. Dialpad might be a better fit for you if you're a small or medium-sized business. You prioritize ease of use and a clean interface. You want AI-powered features to optimize your communication. You're on a tight budget. RingCentral could be the better choice if you're a larger enterprise-level business. You need a comprehensive suite of features with deep integrations. Video conferencing is a crucial part of your communication strategy. You're willing to invest in a slightly more complex system for a wider range of functionalities. Remember, the best way to choose is to take advantage of the free trials offered by both platforms. This way, you can get a hands-on experience and see which one clicks better with your team and workflows. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy communicating.